What's up everyone who's watching this video? We're gonna be hand washing our Durag today, and this is all we're gonna need. We're gonna need warm water, we're gonna need Durags, we're gonna need laundry detergent and fabric softener. Last but not least, we're gonna need our hands, these puppies right here. Yep, right there. And I almost forgot, but we're also gonna need a hanger, and we're gonna be washing a velvet Durag and silk Durags. I started out by keeping the bowl full with warm water, and I'm gonna put some detergent inside of it. You don't really need that much. Well, I did it individually so I could fully get one do-rag fully and completely clean. So the first time I did it, I put a lot because I didn't really know where I was headed with it. And one thing you might see is that if you're washing your velvet do-rags, the color is gonna run. And when I first did it, I thought it was dirty. And I don't know if that's the color running off or if that's how it looks, if that's just like all the grime. Because in that case, this was dirty. And I didn't even know how dirty it was. That's why it's important to clean your do-rag. I'm gonna take my first do-rag and I'm gonna take out the knot. If it got a knot, take it out. I'm just gonna clean it better. Now you're gonna see what I meant when I thought that the do-rag was dirty. This was the first one I decided to wash. And this is you see how it's turning? Look at it. It just looks filthy. And I mistook that for grime and filth. So put it in between your hands and kind of rub it together, squish it around, take out the water if it gets too dark, and you're gonna keep redoing this process until the water starts getting see-through. After that, you're gonna dry it out and put it to the side. We're gonna wash it with laundry detergent first for all my do-rags, and then after that I'm gonna put everything together and wash it with the fabric softener all at once. After I fill up the bowl again, I'm gonna put just a little bit of detergent. You don't need that much. In the beginning, I was wilding. I put a little bit too much than I really needed. But this is my first time really washing my do-rags, to be honest. This is where I found out that the color was running, and my do-rags wasn't as filthy as I thought it would have been. Although it could have been cleaner. I've been wearing these do-rags and not washing it. The product is starting to build up, but as you can see, the water is going to start turning blue. With the silk do-rags, I didn't see this problem. With the velvet do-rags, that's when I seen the color running. I'm gonna kind of let y'all guys watch the process, listen to the beat in the background. It's gonna be the same steps over and over again. After I wash everything separately, I'm gonna use fabric softener and kind of rinse it with everything all at once in the sink. I'm gonna hang them to dry and I'm gonna check them in the morning and see how they look. This is how the durags look after the wash. So I have the velvet and I have the silk. The logo still looks perfectly fine. The velvet still feels perfectly fine, and the color, even though there was a lot of running, the color is still bright. This is how the silk one looked. Of course, I didn't really think that the silk was gonna mess up, but I didn't know how wetting the velvet would have been. But thank you all for watching. This has been the video. Stay tuned for more content. Hope y'all enjoy your day. Stay safe. Peace.